When you get your bands up, you gotta get your grams up. And when you get your grams up, you better put your mans up, cause I'ma keep my mans up. I'ma let the nigga buck. And I told you, like, go ahead and do what you wanna do, cause Young Vonnie laugh from the birds and he do what he wanna do. I mean, I do what I wanna do and I do what you wanna do. Shoot him in his head, I'm like, shit, that's what I'm gonna do. Hey, and I'ma eat you like piranha food. That'll be the fish, boy. Hit you in your head with that real big shit, boy. Count it in my drawers. JoJo have it all. And they ain't gonna even lie, they let that nigga have it all. Well, it don't even matter why. That one of my mans in GBE TVE. I'm one of the Chief Keef fans, but yeah, not on the fan wagon, not on the bandwagon, but I'll shoot you in your head if your man's bragging. No plan, no acting, cause we ain't in Hollywood. I'm from Full Heights. You can call that shit Robin Hood. Cause I told you, my niggas are coming rob your whole hood, and we need everything. Cause all that good and all money, good money. And drug money, plug money. Cause when you get the drug money, you gotta get plugged, dummy. Hey, and if you ain't plugging Full Heights, then you ain't plugged with Lil Vonnie. Well, I travel around, out west, out east too, and I'm out east too, and you don't even see me, dude. And when you see me, I be on the move with the tool. And if you at my head shit, I'm at your crew and at your dude. Well, if I take the main man brains out, then the squad won't even hang out, cause I just blew their boss brains out. I told you, I don't even know what else to say. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and got a 40 in the SK, and who next to spray? And I just killed the boss man, so who next to say something? Don't say nothing. So your mouth closed, so nigga don't say shit. Hit you with the whole clip. They say Vonnie will shoot a nigga in his chest hair soul rip. Hey, if he go to heaven, then he went to hell too. Well, if I go to heaven, then I went to hell too. Cause I'm in heaven and the blunt still burning. Smoking on that loud. It's the money that I earn, man. Black to the block, then they head straight to the mall, then straight to the lot. You gonna see me when I ball. Hey, put that nigga on the shirt. You ain't gonna see him at the mall. Hey, picture on the shirt, you gonna see him in the dirt, in the back of the Herschel, laying in the front of the church. Well, no matter, anywhere it goes, it's gonna work, cause he's still gonna be in the dirt when he leave the church, and men on the shirt, they ain't rocking his ass, and whoever rocking the shirt on popping their ass. Hey, I get money, it's back to the cash, smoking loud, cause that shit make me laugh. But before you get your lamp on, you better get your blast on. Vonnie say what he wanna say, like I did in that last song. Hey, kill a nigga, fuck Rick Ross too. Cause you diss GDs, that's the wrong thing to do. Well, we gonna be at your head with the insanes too. One at your head in your mid-brain, dude. And I'm insane too. To the mid-brain, dude. And I got that shit that's gonna leave you in the hospital. They gonna feed you through a tube. I'm telling you, and that's the shit that I do. Young Vonnie making hits and the Greasy making moves. Dumb fuck. Hey, you better get your guns up. And when Vonnie go, you thumbs down. I mean, when Vonnie go, you thumbs down. When Vonnie go, he thumbs up. You better put your guns up. Don't you have your guns tucked? Nah, don't put your guns up. You better have your gun on. Greasy One Flum got the whole hood going strong. And if you going wrong, then I'm going at your dome. Hey, I'm here to take the crown, boy. That kid took the throne. Hey, shots at his throne, but it's fired at his dome. Hey, family ran up, then his mama then was gone. I mean, gone in the hearse. I mean, gone to the church. I mean, gone to the victuary. Gone to the dirt. I mean, put him on the victuary. Now that shit pictionary. Put him on the wall, boy. Now them niggas real scary. I flip birds while I'm trying to get a bird. Cop a Halsted in the 63. You can see me up flying Halsted in the Audi, see? Well, don't do that. Don't doubt the dude, because if you doubt the dude, you doubting me. Because dude with me and this food we eat. No noodles, just steak on the plate, and if you make the wrong move, I put your face on the plate. I mean, it came to your face and spray shit on the concrete, and the shit that I got, that's the shit that I earned, see? You gotta know dudes who know more dudes, and you gotta make moves and more moves to get the right shit. Cause niggas say you something wrong, then you better be at his door. Niggas kicking through his door, had a Thule to his home, I mean, Thule in his home, and pop him in the dome. I say my squad do this shit, and my niggas go strong. You can catch me in the Greasy, blowing on that leafy, see me on the DVD. Smack, you can't see me, and you will never smack who? That's the Smack DVD. Vonnie and the Greasy, I'm out here just trying to eat. Hollow tips round with me, and all my niggas round with me. Hollow tips flag, you see? That's pointless, so don't even see. Shoot him in his face, now he can't see shit. I told you last rap, that nigga was seasick, and I've been in the streets, bitch, on some street shit. And when Vonnie go low, man, he get on some deep shit. And when you owe me money, I get on some creep shit. Pop him from the tree, and he ain't even see shit. Wife and the kids in the fucking house, fuck that, I'm too handsome, I ain't gonna kill the kids, I'ma hold their ass for ransom. And after that, he pay me, I'ma go buy a Phantom, a Bugatti truck, and fuck that, Lamborghini doors go up. Look like my Bugatti truck, all white, the same color as Gotti truck.